I believe that money is absolutely very important in our lives.
Money is very important in a human life. It helps us to fulfill our basic needs. And I am standing here in Happiness Institute, and Mr. Abdullah sir is there, and he made this great institute, Happiness Institute, because of his money. Money only can do it. Money makes a man powerful.
And he sung a very famous song, मेरे बचपन का प्यार जरा भूल ना जाना रे.
Yeah.
And after singing a song, he is a very famous.
As we can see that the money is very important role in our human being. As we can see that money play a very vital role in our life. As we can see that
My grandfather told me, money attracts money.
Yes, yes, louder.
good in nature, we feel very happy. And
For example, I'm standing as a speaker here. I need to first of all make my contact to the mirror. I need to just denote to the mirror first of all, hi. I just first of all want to say about the money, that money is important, because money is more important than fame, because money gives you all the facilities, all the necessityful things, all the things what you want in your life. That's why money is important. Then I need to just switch my eyes from mirror to Preeti. Money is absolutely very important, because I see multiple people who face a lot of challenges and obstacles in their lives just due to lack of money. They don't have money, they're surviving on the road, they have to sleep on the road, they have to sleep without eating, they don't have money to buy food. And then I need to move to the camera. There are three directions. I believe that if you don't have money, you will face a lot of obstacles in your life. You will have problems each and every second and moment in your life. Because I know without money, life becomes hell, and you make it hodgepodge without money. Got it? Three directions है, मैं direction change करूँगा, तो फिर आप direction change करें. So first, what you need to do? You need to look into the mirror. Then you need to look at me, and you need to look to the camera. You can switch accordingly as you want.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Preeti. Today I will talk about the importance of money. Money, as whatever we stand, we speak, and whatever we do in a human life, it's play a very crucial role. Money give about the all importance and what we want. It help us to achieve our goal and dream. So money is very important in a human life. It helps us to fulfill our basic needs. And I am standing here in Happiness Institute, and Mr. Abdullah sir is there, and he made this great institute, Happiness Institute, because of his money. So money is very important in a human life. As a human life, whatever we do, money only can do it. Money makes a man powerful, and because of money,
straight eye to the camera. Straight eye to the camera. Yes.
money. If you don't have money, you can come to the road and you will why people are become beggar, because they don't have money. There are various plethora of benefits of having of money. Because of money, we can get a social status. Money can give an ample amount of opportunity to explore our lives to various stages. We can travel and we can. Because of, if you have money, we should use it very wise way, not only to get our desires. You should keep the value, you should know the value of money, and we should use the money in emergencies time, and especially, and money we should wisely, you should use in our student education, which will change their life. Money is not only a tool, but it also an important gadget for a human life as well as for a country. And
in this mirror, you can see Preeti's face. Preeti is not actually understanding, is not trying to understand your points. Whatever you are saying, she is not catching, and she is not going to follow it. So you have to remind to this Preeti that why don't you understand, Preeti? I am just talking to you the importance of money. You have to remind her with great and loud sound so that Preeti can understand it. Come on.
So because of money, a woman.
Little more stress to the Preeti. Preeti is not understanding. Preeti is not getting the points. Yes.
So money play a very important role in the woman life. In a woman, money play a very huge role. If without money,
no, you need to remind to Preeti. You need to remind to Preeti. Preeti is not actually giving importance to your points, right? So you need to remind Preeti, why don't you understand? I'm talking to the importance of money. You look yourself. Can you see your face?
I have to ask her.
Yes,
like that.
you have to tell this Preeti.
Okay.
You can you see Preeti? So go.
Preeti, you have to understand about the value of money. You expenditure your money on unnecessary things, so you have to understand where you have to use it wisely. Especially, you have some other expenditure also in your preparation. in
Preeti
your
is
studies.
out of the hall. Preeti is out of the office. Preeti is so far. Preeti is on the road now. And now you need to remind to Preeti. Preeti is on the road now.
So you have to do hard work to earn money.
No.
So,
Little more louder. Because
You ha-
Preeti is on the road.
Preeti, you have to do hard work and you have to do relentlessly. You have to practice where you are lagging out to earn money, because without money, no one
doubt.
can without money, no one can give you respect. No one can give you shit care about you, your parents, and everyone can give you the dignity and respect because of your money. You are unemployed. You have to do plethora of hard works to earn money.
Preeti is going far. Preeti is going far. She's crossing the road.
So what I will do.
Preeti is going so far. She's crossing the road. You need to say, Preeti, why don't you understand, Preeti? You have to understand it.
Preeti, you have to understand it. You have to know. You have to walk on it. You without by sitting here, you can't do anything. By crossing the road, you don't understand what you get. You have to sit calmly and you have to know what are the ways to earn money. And you have to use your brain instead of hard work, smart work.
Hi, this is Sivans. Today I'm gonna talk about fame. Do you know fame is a very important in our life? Just earlier my friend was talking about money, but I don't think like that. कि money is a very important in our life.
Switch.
When you will talk about fame, I have seen lots of people, they don't have money, still they can get anything through fame. So that's why fame is a very important in our life. When you will talk about some other people, they have also
Switch.
they have also get a success in their life. Just I wanna share a story. A boy who was not a very famous, right now he is a very famous through fame. And you know very well about that guy.
Switch.
You know very well about that guy, and he sang a very famous song, मेरे बचपन का प्यार जरा भूल ना जाना रे.
Yeah.
And after singing a song, he is a very famous. And right now he has a lots of follower, and he is earning lots of money due to fame. So
Switch.
firstly, we should focus fame, not the money. But right now, people are focusing on the money, not the fame. So it's according to my perspective, you should follow the fame, not the money.
Switch.
When you will wanna make the fame, definitely you can earn money. And maybe you know very well about Harivansh Rai Bachchan. He is a very famous writer, and that time he had no money, but he always used to write a good poem, and he wrote a very famous poem, Madhusala. After writing the poem Madhusala, he was a very famous, and he wrote in the Madhusala. It's a very famous line. Just I wanna share this line. In the Madhusala, Harivansh Rai Bachchan wrote this line कि मधुशाला जाने से पहले चलता है पीने वाला, किस पथ से जाऊं असमंजस में है वो भोला भाला. अलग अलग सब पथ बतलाते, पर मैं यहाँ बतलाता हूँ, एक पथ तू पकड़ चला जा, मिल जाएगा मधुशाला. It means you should focus on your goal, not a focus only money. Money is a secondary thing, but like a fame is a firstary thing. So you should focus on your fame, not a money.
I am far away. I'm on the road now. You need to remind me about the fame, importance of fame. I'm out of the office. I'm not inside the office. I'm out of the office on the road.
Sir, why are you going? Money, fame is a very important, not a money.
I'm on the road. Speak louder.
Money, if fame is a very important, not a money. You should focus on fame, not a money. When you will make a fame, definitely
More louder. I'm on the road.
money automatically will come, not a focus on fame. And fame is a very necessary for our life. If you wanna become, we have
Now you have to follow one thing. Moment what you are looking in the mirror, you have to take your speech and pitch in the same way. How? I believe that money is so important.
Money is a very important role in our life. Money is everything. When you will talk about money is everything. You can't do.
No variation change. No variation change. Change your variation. Look the mirror. Change your variation. इसी बहाने मेरा योगा और एक्सरसाइज भी हो रही है.
Okay. Money plays very important role in our life. When you will talk about money is everything in our life.
I believe that money is absolutely very important in our lives because I know that money plays very important role. Absolutely, money plays very important role. Absolutely, money plays very important role.
I think money is very important for our life. You can't do anything without money.
Without
Money. Without money, you can do anything with money. Money is a very important for us, and money is also important for you. You can't do anything without money. Money is a very important play a very important role in our life, and money is play very crucial.
money plays.
Money plays very crucial.
Harshit.
Hello everyone. My name is Harshit, and my topic is on more money. As we can see that money is very important, beneficial role in human beings. As we can see that most
Switch.
90% of the problem are solved by the money. As we can see that the poor people are begging.
Switch.
Poor people are begging on the road. They were asking about the money, food, necessity, but they have no any basic necessity. With money we can buy more basic necessity like food, shelter, clothes. With that we can have a basic
Switch.
life. Basic life. We can see that in emergency money play a very important role. As we can see that if a person having a disease, he or she can go to the hospital and pay the bill immediately, so that he or she life can save.
His or her life can be saved.
His or her life can be saved.
Switch.
As we can see that many
Eye
billionaires,
contact एकदम आपसे खुद से आईने से.
as we can see that millionaire and billionaire provide free expensive gifts to the poor people so that they can have a basic necessity of
Switch.
life. During COVID-19, many billionaires provide donations to the countries for the poor people so that they have a proper necessity
Switch.
of life. As we can see that in rich countries, presidents and the government provide infrastructure very good, so that the most from the other country people can give good.
Switch.
As we can see that the money is very important role in our human being. As we can see that money play a very vital role in our life. As we can see that money play very important role in our human being.
Keep on speaking. You cannot stop yourself.
90% of the problem can solve by the 90% problem can solve by the money. As we can see it that money can improve the infrastructure of the country. Many people came from the country. They see around the surrounding. They see around the infrastructure. They looked and they think about the country.
I am out.
Sir, money is very important role in our human being.
Money plays very important role.
Money play a very important role in human being. As we can know that as a student, I really don't know about the value of money. When I become young, when I start earning, I will know the understand how.
Vibration. जितना ज्यादा attraction vibration में है उतना कहीं नहीं.
As I know that when I become young and I do earning, yes, then I will know that the value of money that I really don't know at my early stage right now.
Current time you cannot understand the importance of money. You cannot understand the importance of the money. When you
Switch.
when you are going to do job and you do earning, then you will realize money is very important for you.
Switch.
I want to tell one thing that I learned from my grandfather.
Yes.
He wanted to learn more.
Switch.
He had done only 10th class. After that, he wanted to do the 12th and graduation. To give money to learn more, he denied. I don't have money. I can't give you money to learn more. You have to do some work and job to earn money. Then if you have money, then you can go. And one more thing that my grandfather told me: money attracts money.
I'm out on the road.
Do you know what I learned from my grandfather?
I am on the road.
He told me that
I'm on the road.
attract the money.
I'm going.
He told me one story. A person go to bank and with 1 rupees and ask to manager give me money. Manager told I don't have account. Just give me money. Manager told if you
I'm going.
have saved money, then only I can give you money. Taken out 1 rupees from his pocket
Switch.
and he tried to give the manager
Louder.
to save
Louder.
my account.
The camera is so far. Camera is in.
The 1 rupees in
Cannot
fell
face.
down in the bank.
Camera is at
Then
India Gate.
He told why my money fell down.
Camera is at
Then
India Gate.
Then manager tell that money attracts money because I have more money in my bank than attract your money. That's why
Camera
your
is at India
money
Gate.
fell down to my.
If you have no money, you will be counted in a poor person. You will be in a below poverty line. So and the second thing,
I am out. I'm on the road now. I'm out of the office.
you want to get married with a person, so you need money to build your
Little more louder. Little more louder.
to get married, so you have to take the responsibility of that guy, so you need
Remove the
a
scarf.
financially,
Remove the scarf.
if you need a relationship, so you need a responsibility
Switch to me.
of
Look at me.
if you need a relationship, so you have a responsibility of that guy, have to take the responsibility of that guy, so you need money.
Switch the camera.
So you need money to own your marital life by money. So first of all, you become a financially
You should. You
independent.
should.
You should become a financially independent person. So and the
Switch.
thing is that if you have no money, you have to face many problems, like
Switch.
you did not have education, you
Okay.
did not have food, you did not have house, you did not have your dream, you did not achieve your dream because you need money to educate.
Switch.
You need a material, you need a course to achieve your success. So you need money for
Make eye contact with yourself. Make eye contact in the mirror. If you can see your eyes.
So I am here for in a favor of a more money. More money is which is important in our day-to-day life. Money is a basic need all people's in our life.
Switch to me. Look into my eyes.
And sir, you know, peoples are on street. They don't have a money. They don't have a.
They don't have.
They don't have any respect. And people don't see them. And we cannot get without money good health. We cannot get without money good education. We don't get royal life without
Switch.
money. And you come in your elder age. You got a married. In that time you have a lot of responsibility. So without money you don't.
Switch.
Without money you don't.
You cannot.
You can without money you cannot take a responsibility in your family
Of your family, in your family, right?
of your family and they are, I give you people's very big example for a Ambani's son wedding. Ambani's son is not a special talent, not have a special quality, but they have a lot of, and he become a billionaire and millionaire. So he is enjoying.
कैमरा इंडिया गेट पे रखा हुआ है.
He is enjoying his royal life.
कैमरा इंडिया गेट पे है.
He is enjoying his life for money, and you know our society not give a respect without money. Your friends not give a respect. Don't give without money. Don't give a respect without money. So money is very important. And sir, money is a very important for you enjoy a royal life. Buying a good car, buying a good phone, buy a good health, buy a good food. So many things. Without money, you cannot do anything. And you know.
Well done. That's amazing, Avinash. Well done, Bharti.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharti. Today I would speak on a topic in the favor of more money. Money plays a very vital role. Money plays a very vital role.
Continue louder. Continue louder.
Money plays a very important role in our day-to-day lives. Without money, we can't survive in the world.
Yes.
Money gives us.
Think and speak. Think and speak.
Even in the world, many people give respect to those
Think and speak.
who have financially independent. People also give respect to those.
People also give respect to those who have money.
Yeah.
Switch.
People give respect to
Switch.
those. People give respect to those who have power and money. Because those persons are very powerful in the country.
Today, I, Anushka, I am over here. I am going to speak a topic on fame versus money. So, I am here for fame. Fame cannot buy.
Switch. मेरी आंखों में.
Fame can buy emotional support, mental support, and happiness. But money cannot buy happiness.
Switch.
Initial things that day-to-day life we need, but it cannot buy our happiness.
Switch.
Emotional. As we know, money have a important role in our life. Like in villages, we can see money is more. It is not matter that much, but in urban areas it matters very lot. In urban areas we are very complicated. We have a very complicated things.
Complicated life, complicated things.
And it we do not have.
I'm going out. ये आईना बाहर जा रहा है. रोड पे चला गया है आईना.
So
और क्या रोड पे गया है तो उसको सुनाओ अपनी आवाज.
So we have we are very.
आवाज सुनाओ. आईना सुन नहीं पा रहा है. Mirror is unable to listen to you. Come on.
We can see that money is not important. It is.
रोड पर है. आईना रोड पर है. थोड़ा लाउड करो आवाज को सरकार. Yes, louder.
Good in nature, we feel very happy, and when we tension, frustration, and mental health is disordered. But in village, we do not see that.
Reshma.
Hello everyone, my topic is more money and more fame. I'm going to more money and more fame, both of important because money.
Both are important.
Both are important because money cannot buy loyalty, respect, and other things, but money is important for other things like food, clothes, and
we can fulfill all desires and
Desires.
desires. I help to poor people, but I don't have money.
I want to help poor people, but I don't have money.
I want to help poor people, but I don't have money, so I can't help poor people.
Camera.
So I need more money because my nature is very helpful. So I need more money and more money. I like traveling, but I don't have money. So I like traveling, but I don't have money. So I can't traveling without money.
Travel.
I can't travel without money.
Switch.
Oxygen is necessary for living. Money is necessary also living in this world. And has lots of money. So I want more money. Who is
रेंट देने के लिए दे दोगे.
कितना पैसा मांगता है?
कभी कभी वो 9,000 है, कभी 10,000 है. से भी
कोई फिक्स नहीं है, ऐसे ही मांगता रहता है.
मांगता रहता है. और वो तो और एक और ग्रोसरी के लिए तो इवनिंग पर पहुंचा देता है.
तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग लगता है तुम्हें कि पैसा ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है?
ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट.
पैसा ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है.